everyone. So I'm going to do a small review of an item that Josh Koch from Koch Leather sent me, and I'm really excited to see what's in the bag. If you're a member of Herder Market, then you have definitely heard of Koch Leather. If you haven't joined us on the Facebook group Herder Market, then I hope that you guys will check out this wonderful small family company outside of Arizona. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so the camera doesn't get all shaky. This is called a cash pouch. It's from Koch Leather, and it is vegetable tanned Essex. It is super soft. If you are familiar with the Love 41 Gypsy crossbody and that natural leather, it has a very similar, very soft feeling to it. What I really love about Josh is the quality of the material that he starts with. All of his leather is incredible. Take a look at the stitching. It's absolutely perfect. And the zipper is always high quality as well, and usually has a very smooth open and close. If you're not familiar with Dave Ramsey, I'm not a sponsor or anything for him, but my fiance and I love watching his show, and we use this cash envelope system, which is basically you put all your food and gas money, your regular expenses, move it into cash, so that way you're way more aware of how much you're spending. So when I saw that Josh and Jen were coming out with a cash pack, I pretty much freaked out. And then Josh messaged me and asked me if I could do a short review. As I mentioned, this is not your average pouch. They added some lovely little canvas separators, and then they have a vachetta, like a veg tanned leather on the inside, a little box, and you can pull out the piece of paper and write down. And as you can see, this back pocket is definitely a lot bigger than the other ones. But you really don't need that much space because you're just putting cash in there. It actually holds up and stands up pretty well on its own.